What is going on, guys? I hope you guys all had a fantastic day. Today's video, I'm gonna be kind of introducing myself a little bit. I've kind of jumped into this channel without really giving you guys much insight about who I am. It's not gonna be like a really in-depth video, but I will be covering a few basic things that sort of help me land, kind of where I'm at right now. An in-depth video will be coming. I'm definitely excited to make that for you guys. It's gonna be kind of a lengthy video, and it should help you guys as far as getting started, potentially going out and trying that new thing and risking whatever, and just taking life, by the balls and going full send. So today I'm going to cover the struggles that I had to endure and what triggered my desire for change, and a few, just some very quick and hopefully insightful points that I'll be making. Let me know if you enjoyed it. Just leave a like on this video. Let's go back in time about 2-3 years. Just graduated high school. I was going to school, going to work. I'm assuming just like every one of you guys watching this, because I'm sure if you're watching an educational YouTube video, it's probably because you're trying to get educated. The struggles that I faced in this time period of being in school and being at work, the biggest one was not knowing where I was financially. I was constantly, spending money on tuition, spending money on student loans. Besides the point, I was spending every paycheck that I earned. I would literally get paid and then I would just blow it on stupid things. It's one of my biggest regrets. So that was a struggle. I remember being down. A mixture of me being broke, me being unhappy, and seeing other people portraying, if not living the life that I wanted, it sort of triggered something inside me. So throughout this process, I started talking to people about my mindset. Everyone that knows me knows that I would talk about investing, I would talk about making money, I would just talk about all these things that seemed far-fetched. And my coworkers can agree, if you're watching this, you're one of my coworkers, you guys know that I was constantly in a cycle of improving myself. All the downtime that I had, I would spend it learning. And that's when I found my mentor for the stock market. So obviously I was completely clueless about what was going on in the stock market. I had no idea what a stock was. So I DM'd this guy on the internet, and what was supposed to be a mentorship where I had to pay him ended up being a friendship. So I got really blessed, and I thank him for that. So pretty much all the information that I know came from this source. Super good, super credible source, down-to-earth guy. He basically taught me the ins and outs of day trading the stock market, which is the thing that I latched onto as far as getting myself to where I am today. And so obviously, guys, seek mentorship. If you are in this position in your life where you want to change, you definitely need somebody to guide you along the way. It's not going to be easy, even with somebody there walking you through it. It takes a lot of discipline and it takes a lot of drive to make it happen. So this whole time while I'm going through this process of bettering myself, I wasn't getting the best feedback from people. I mean, people saw that I was different. I had something in me that they didn't have, I guess I could say, and I did get a lot of negative feedback from even my closest friends, which it didn't stop me, honestly. I knew where I wanted to be in life. I knew what I had to do to get there, and people aren't going to support you. If they see you winning, if they see you doing what you want to do every single day, you will not get the support and the love that you think you'd get from people that matter to you, but that's just life, and it's sadly the truth. People will look into your life and see that they don't have what you have, and they're going to get envious. That's human nature. You can't go around that. The best thing you can do is just block out the hate. That's really it, because if you let yourself be limited by that, you won't be able to reach your full potential. And that's something that you have to come to terms with internally. Here we are today. I think today is finally these past few months of my life, I can say that I have reached the point of financial freedom where I don't have to go to work, I don't have to go to school. I can create income on my own with just the knowledge in my brain and what I've learned from people in the past. In this moment right now, I can sit here and I can create income with just the internet and with just other business sources that I have started. And I don't want to get into much detail, so I'm sort of just telling you guys this stuff. I was able to quit my job in March of 2018, and that's pretty much the day that marks my financial freedom. So since quitting my job, I've been able to do literally everything that I want, and that I've been something that's been on my heart to do is just see national parks across the country, and I've done that, and it's an incredible sensation. So as I became more knowledgeable about the stock market, I was able to sustain myself from that income And that's currently, where I am today, along with multiple business ventures. Like, I started my own company. I'm working along with, multiple businesses as far as growing them and stuff. And how has this impacted people around me? I don't want anything but the best for you. And I want everyone to experience this. And I want everyone to be able to say that they're completely happy with their life. So the people around me, they have been impacted in a positive way. Ultimately, I've been able to enlighten a lot of them, and I've been able to spread love and positivity, which is ultimately my mission on this channel. Like, my YouTube channel is specifically set towards self-improvement and learning something new every single day, like bettering yourself in some way. I know it's kind of on a broad spectrum of things that I cover. I just want other people to get on that journey of being able to educate themselves and create income without having to answer to a manager or to a boss, without having to clock into work at a time that they don't want to be there. Like, if I want to clock in to this, it could be at 12 a.m., it could be at 12 p.m. Like, there's no time limit on when I do what I want. That's literally all that matters. Thank you guys so much for listening to me. I hope this sparked a change in your life. I know I'm going off on a tangent, but the change in my life happened because of the internet. So if you guys are still sleeping on the internet as an opportunity, you guys really have to realize what you're missing out on. All right, guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed. This is sort of a little bit more about who I am, and I think it's good to get that out there. Personally, I feel like seeing other people and seeing their journey and like being able to relate to them has helped me a lot. If you guys really enjoyed this, please leave a like on the video, subscribe if you haven't already. I have a few new subscribers, so welcome to this channel. And for those of you that have been here for a while, you guys are the best, honestly. Thank you guys all for the support, and I will see you guys next time.